You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly in English. If you want to learn more French names, also names of famous footballers, make sure to stay tuned. Pronounced in English as Gascoigne. It comes from the French word, it's a old French region, Gascoigne. Gascoigne. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.